my subscribers around the world, if you have not watched the video, I said I was going to show us a Tenera hybrid. Many people don't know what is a Tenera hybrid, and if you don't know what is a Tenera hybrid, you understand? Now the one way we call in our own dialect as agri, you don't understand? There's a Tenera hybrid, and then there is what we call local. So this one you're seeing behind me here, I'm going to be showing you guys. So you tell me if it is a Tenera or if it is an agri. So I mean, or if it is a local. I mean, so let's go. Let's see. Yeah. If you have watched this video to this point, what you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video like this. Now, I would have loved, okay, let's do it like this. Let me bring the camera close so that you see first. Then I'll show us. Let's go. I don't go fall. You see? How many of you know what breed is this? It might be a Tenera, it might be a local. But if you really know which breed it is, well, let me write down for comment section. You don't understand. So let me show us. Permit me. We know plenty. So we go. Oh, we are finished. Okay. So my fans, subscribers, all right. I think this is time to show us. Now looking at this, many of us can tell if it is a. This is all these seeds you're seeing here. I brought them from here. So let's see if this is a Tenera hybrid. Well, now a Tenera hybrid has smaller seed. Their seeds inside are smaller. In other words, while local, their seeds are very big. So small flesh and very big seed. While a Tenera hybrid has many flesh, like it's so fleshy, and then small seed. So let's test this and see. Your guess is as good as mine. Hit it in the comment below. I know you know, but if you don't know, let me show us. The seed is very small. So that means we've gotten the Tenera hybrid we're looking for. So this is a Tenera hybrid. A Tenera hybrid of palms. And this is a foreign palms. It's on local. If you have 10 of this in your backyard, on your farm, or even 20 of it, you are a blood money man. So you are an oil money investor. You don't understand. Hey, if you are watching video to this point, if I have videos, informative video, and above all what engaging, what you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so that I'll be notified anytime I post a new video just like this one. Because it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist and farmer, Emeka and Josie. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.